back to Charmers World. Snowstorm Bobby is over and it's time to clean up. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like hanging off the roof. I just wanted to show you that because it's really cool. I don't know how it's doing it. And I'm scared that it's going to fall on my head right now. So I'm going to back over.
Let's help Dad.
And let's help Dad.
Come on.
So I found this in our front yard. I'm going to call it an ice slab. It's a slab of ice. I don't know how it happened. But Dad is doing the snow blower. It's very loud right now. I don't know if you can hear me. But there's a lot of snow. And I'm really cold. That's a lot of mist. That is a lot of mist. All right, that was cool. I'm gonna do more shoveling because the snow was very, very, very packed. Like you can even see I was struggling there. I'm gonna make a snow angel.
Let me see your snow angel. Oh, that looks cute. You still have to clean the car.
Yes. Oh my god, I think I have ice on.
What are you making?
I'm trying to make a bunny, but I don't think it's gonna work.
How about your penguin? The penguin looks good.
Okay.
I think the penguin is better.
Yeah. I'm making some penguins. Oh. Got it. Got that. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you.
Snowstorm is over. We'll clean up. That is making some pathway for the gas guy when they deliver the gas for his barn. There he is. You're covering Jonas.
So I lined up 6 penguins. This is a penguin family. The little one is really big. But I use these molds and just put like snow in it. But you got the idea. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you like it. Bye. Make sure to check out my other videos too. Love you. Subscribers, not